There are several methods to clear the browsing history of Google Chrome. First, let me show you the easiest one. Just go and open your Chrome. From the upper right side, just click on these icons, and now select Settings from below. From here, go and open Privacy and Security. Now click right here on Delete Browsing Data, and a new pop-up will open. You can only select the browsing history if you don't want to delete the site data. I'll unselect these. And from this drop-down menu, select the time range you want to delete your history. I only want to delete my browsing history of the last 24 hours. I'll select it, and now just simply click on Delete Data, and it's done. If you only want to delete certain browsing history from Google Chrome, we can also do that pretty easily. Just go to this menu again, scroll to History, and click to open it. Now here is our browsing history. Just select the tabs you want to delete and click on the Delete button. Select Remove to confirm, and it will get deleted permanently. We can also search the specific history from here to select and delete them. At last, if you want to delete Google Chrome history from all of your profiles, just go and press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard, and a new window will open. Now just type the %, local app data, again %, and hit enter. This will open up the File Explorer. Now just locate the Google folder, open it, go to Chrome, use your data, and again locate the default named folder, open it, and from here just find the history named files. Select and right-click. Choose Delete and make sure Chrome is closed and not running in the background. The history will get clear pretty easily.